I feel so happy today. It's too bad I have crippling depression, and it's just a manic day. I'm trapped here in this colorful delusion. Why can't we sleep or even cry? Is it possible to die? Am I even still alive? Open my eyes, all I need now to survive is my friends right by my side. I'm so happy I could die.
I feel so happy today, I can't throw this one away. Maybe it's not a mistake to stay alive. Ribbit and come on me, got so much world left to see. If she won't give up today, we'll never die.
Happy, 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 I might just stay. Even though I'm trapped and I'm not okay. I feel happy, happy, happy once in my life. Pretend I'm alright when I lost my mind.
Better yet, now here's my chance. Start again, new life, new dance. Gotta live with no regrets, let go, begin again. And just be
happy, happy, happy forevermore. Just keep holding on here together. I feel so happy today. It's too bad all
And it's got 9% longevity complex, and it's got developed with the trichologists. So these are the instructions. How do we use it? And the ingredients. And actually guys, I really like this cap method, so that you could just go, like, you don't have to waste a lot. And this is one of the famous thingy that I really like. And here I got open this second one. Let's see what's inside. Okay, here is the olay regenerist. That's it. We got only one. We're supposed to get two. Okay, maybe next time we will get that. Okay, win and the Monopoly Go, the same card. But I'm so excited for this product. Olay, I've been waiting for this for so long, guys. I gotta tell you. And this, the Olay Regenerist Face and Neck Lifting Treatment. Visibly tighten and firm contour sagging skin. And these are the ingredients and the directions to use it. That's it. I can't wait to test them out and give the review of those. Thank you so much. Thank you, Pinch Me.